Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. My name is Aston, and in this channel I will share my knowledge with all of you regarding some in-demand skills that would help you in your student lives and would also help you grow professionally. Some of the skills that we would discuss in this channel would range from accounting, finance, data analysis, process management, management in general, and many more. So let's get started. So today's topic is about a process or project management tool, more specifically a process planning tool called Gantt chart. Gantt chart actually lets you plan out your whole project if you have your work breakdown structure, which is basically the task or the activities that you will complete in a project. So it lets you plan out over its duration and lets you know how much you have completed over the period of time. It is very easy to implement. It's very easy to understand, and it's also very useful in our regular home DIY projects. So let's see how it's created. So once you filled up your table over here, just go ahead and select all the dates and then go to insert on the top, click recommended charts, all charts, go to bar and go with the stat bar. Perfect. Now we have to add certain data series to it. So first we'll start with the all the tasks. For that, all we gotta do is place your cursor on any of those bar and hit right mouse key, select data. Let's start with the horizontal axis, click on edit, and then just select all those activities that you have and hit OK. We got our activities added. Now we go for the duration. For that, go to the left side, click add. Under the name, select duration, and for the values, select all those values here, hit OK, and another OK. Perfect. Now you see all those activities are in reverse order, so we have to change that. Right click, go to format axis. You see right at the bottom there's an option of categories in reverse order. Put a check mark, and that would put it in the right order. Now we don't need those blue bars, so we're gonna remove that. We'll go to format data series, we go to fill option and we select no fill. The same thing we're gonna do with those lines that you see over here. We click on those lines and select the option format grid lines and then simply no line, so it looks more clean. Now the only thing that is left to do is to make those bars a little bit closer to the activities. For that we have to rearrange those dates on the top. If you double click on those dates, you see there's an option of minimum bounds and maximum bounds. We have to change that, but we don't know what are those. We'll just find it out easily. Just take the start date here, copy it, paste it down to any other cell. Let's just do it over here, and then take the maximum over here and put it down here. Now we're gonna change that. Select the start date. Let's go to home. Under the numbers option, select general. We will convert it to the number. There we go. Now we select the dates on the top again, and we just put those numbers. Minimum 44197 and the maximum 44328. Enter. Done. Perfect. Everything looks good. And the only difference that you see between the last two, the gap actually is because of the gap in the dates. So if I change it to, let's say 4, and then here to 412, they come a little bit closer. That was the Gantt chart, very easy to create and use. Give it a try, or you can go to my Etsy shop and get it down from there. I'll put the link in the description. If you guys found any value in this video, kindly give it a like, share and comment, and also subscribe the channel for more educational videos like this.